In this video we will be looking at how to get how to transform this type of graph into this kind of a presentation. So let's start. um, Now I will just copy this data for the time being. You can actually have your own graphs also, so that here I will just copy it. Now what we have to do, go into the insert and go into the shapes. In the shapes, just take the rounded rectangle, this rounded rectangle, and place it on this. So just to get it much more brighter, clear and all. Now just from this yellow point, just try to squeeze to the center so that it has a total rounded. Now just copy this and place it here, and we place it here. Now just go into the insert and go into the shape again, and now take a square rectangle here. Sorry, insert square rectangle, and just on this square rectangle, now totally select all these shapes except this. Now go into the shape format and go for combine. Done till this. Now what we have to do, we have to just delete this. We have to delete. Now on this, go into the shape format again. Sorry, just format shape. In this, go into the fill. You can have a gray color fill, or you want this color fill. Now you can actually increase the fill. No, don't, sorry. Once you have done that union, combine, you can't do that since it is already mapped down. Now what we have to do, we have to also go for the shadow. So go into a shadow and just in shadow you can actually increase the preset, and you can have this kind of a preset, and then you can have it on a angular basis, this kind of. Now see, now the graph which was looking somewhat boring is now converted to this part. Even you can actually also in this color, you can actually go for the white color, and you can actually remove the shadow for this so that it's look cool, and whatever is required is done properly. You can actually drag it down like that, but it will differ. So I hope you really love this video and understood how a simple transition, a simple uses of combine, and a simple use of shapes can actually create a very good and attractive PowerPoint presentations. I hope you got to learn something new. See you in the next video. Thank you.